Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to be build an image classifier in PictoBlox, so that can recognize object like, for example, we are going to be recognize this object. It's an elephant. Then we are going to be recognize clock. We will try to recognize pouch. We will try to recognize if you are able to see bangles. Okay. So even you can take a object like bottle, book, phone, and any other objects, okay, without writing the complex code. So let's get started. So this is our image classification. It is something like when AI looks at any image, okay, and it will going to be predict what object it is. Okay, for example, we can take an example of like phone, books, bottle, dog, cat, anything. Okay, so this is the same technology used in Google Photos, self-driving car, and many AI apps. So let's get started. What we are going to be do, you need to open your PictoBlox AI. If you want, I can mention you this one in the description box. This link, you can directly try to open it. We will click on machine learning environment. Okay. Once you will click on the machine learning environment, you have to be click on this one, create new project. Okay. So let's create a new project first. Over here, we will try to write a project name. So it's a image classification. You can write any name as a project name. Okay. Over here, we are going to be select image classifier, the first option, as you can see this one, and then we will click on create project. So that over here, you will get three steps. What are those steps that we are going to be see? So over here, there is a two option. Either you can open the camera, you can try to click the picture, or the second thing, we can download the image from Google. We can use it. Okay. So let's see what we can do over here. So over here, you can see there is a classes. Okay. So we will just click on this. First, I will add elephant. This is my first class elephant. Let's see second one. So second, I want clock. Okay, let's see one more class. You need to just press on add. So the third class is bangles. And the fourth one we have is pouch. You can use any object, okay? Whatever nearby object you have, you can try to take a bottle, books, then try to take mobile phone if you have, or any soft toys, any car, anything, okay? It's totally your choice. So I need to close my video first. Why? Because in our laptop, we have only one camera. Okay, so we need to first close the video and then only we will try to click on webcam. So first I'm doing for the elephant. So I will click on webcam. Your camera will open. Camera will capture the photo. So you need to show your toys or whatever object you are taking in front of camera so that camera capture it properly. For example, as you can see, and then we will click on this hold to record, and we will require at least 40 to 45 samples. So you need to just click on this hold to record. Suppose it's now, as you can see, 21 images. Let's go with some more. For example, we did 40 samples. This is my first part. The second one is clock. So same thing I will do with clock. I will take clock in front of camera so that camera can recognize it. Okay. Okay. I think it's fine now. Again, you need to add multiple. So it's 30. Let me add some more. Okay, perfect. So we added 40 samples. Let's see about bangles. So again, click on capture. Okay, I will remove the cover for bangles. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, so hold to record. So again, we had 41 samples. Let me try for the last one, which is pouch. So I can click on webcam again. If you are able to see the pouch. Okay. Okay, hold to record. You can rotate it little bit so that you will get all the angle images. Okay. So as you can see, we did for four: elephant, clock, bangles, and a pouch. The next step is we need to train the model. So as you can see, this one, train the model. Let's train it. So once you will start training, hardly it will take 1 or 2 minutes because we have, if you can see, we have a four classes and every class have a 40 samples. So it will take little bit of time. Okay. After training the model, so training means the computer studies all the images, all the patterns, whatever we added. It is like teaching a child to recognize a bottle by showing a mini bottle pictures. Okay. After that, we are going to be tested. Okay. So let's see. It's training, as you can see. Perfect. So it trained our model successfully. Now you can test it. Suppose your model accuracy is good, as you can see. You can open the web camera. Over here, you will get four classes, as you can see. If I will show this, okay. See, it's a elephant, right? If I will show clock, as you can see, it's clock. See, if I will show pouch, it's a pouch, as you can see. If I will show bangles, you need to take in front of camera properly. So it showing for the bangles. So it means whatever we added, it working properly. Then we will click on export model and select block. Like select this export and then go with block. So once you will click on block, it means now we are connecting our machine learning with PictoBlox. Okay. So what we are going to be do here, we will start our code, like how we can implement the model. Okay. So can your AI recognize all three, like all the or whatever objects you added, like four object, three object correctly? Try it and please write that into the comment section. Okay. Now let's start our block part. Okay. So how we will start? Yes, fine. As you can see, everything is loaded properly. Okay. Now, always we will start with events when flag is clicked. Okay. So this is our first part when flag is clicked. What we wanted to do, we need to first open recognition window, like your camera will open. We will analyze the image with the help of web camera. Okay. It means like when I will click on flag, my camera will open, camera will start recognizing. See, it's clock. Okay. Then we will do the next part after that. This is the first part that we added. When we will open the window, we are going to be analyze our images with the help of web camera. Okay. Then the next part that we will do is when elephant is predicted. Like when we will predict the elephant, we are going to be say. So you have to be just go to the looks, try to add this say block. You can just write, oh, it's elephant. Okay, so as you can see, when we will predict the elephant, we are going to be just say, oh, it's elephant. Over here also we can write, welcome to image classifier project. So once you will run, it will going to be say, welcome to image classifier project. Then if we will predict the elephant, so we will say, okay, it's elephant. For example, let me run it again. Over here, as you can see, you are getting welcome. Let me duplicate, do it for clock. So we wanted to say, oh, it's clock. Let me run it. So over here, you are getting welcome to image classifier. Are you able to see? Over here, you are getting its clock. See, its clock. Same exact thing we can do for, let's see for the bangles. So again, we will right click over here, just duplicate it. If we will predict the bangles, we will say it's bangles. Let me change it now. It's bangles. And same thing we can do for the last one, which is pouch. This is pouch. Okay. Let's start this project now. Let me run it again. Uh, okay. So as you can see, you are getting its clock. Let me show you bangles. It's bangles as you can see, right? So we checked for two. Let's see for pouch. It's pouch as you can see. So over here you are getting, okay, it's your elephant, okay? So in this way, we can try our image recognizer. Okay. Now what you can do is you can try to take any object. That's totally your choice. Any object you can take and you can try to create your project. Okay. Let me, okay. You can try to create any object and you can try to take any object and do your project. Okay. So today, as you can see, we learn how to build an AI image classifier in PictoBlox using block coding, right? We can now create your own like what you can do, you can create your own AI project and train the computer first so that computer is able to recognize different objects, okay? So please like this video, comment which object you trained. Okay. You can subscribe for more artificial intelligence and machine learning project and watch the next video, which is about object detection. So maybe tomorrow I will upload that. So you can first do this project, whatever queries you have you can write in the comment section so that I will reply you. And please watch our next video, which is about object detection in PictoBlox, like how we can detect the objects. Okay. So please like, share, and subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please create your project. Okay. Train your model, take any object, it's your choice. Okay, you can go with bottle, book, pencil, pen, any object you can take and try to implement it. Okay, so thank you so much, have a nice day, bye bye, take care.